69. Baby elephant splash, 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 jumping in the pond so fast. Water sparkles all around, making funny sounds. Kerosene size 69. Mama elephant says, "Come this way," leading little one to play, walking softly side by side on a jungle ride. Kerosene size 69. Baby elephant trumpet loud, making jungle friends so proud. Monkeys swing and parrots fly under sunny sky. Kerosene size 69. Tiny elephant munch, 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 eating leaves for jungle lunch, wagging ears from side to side with a happy stride. Kerosene size 69. Grandpa elephant stomp, stomp slow, telling stories as they go. Big kind smile upon his face in the jungle place. Kerosene size 69. The zebras dance, skip, 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 near the sparkling river trip. Friendly lions nap nearby, watching butterflies. Kerosene size 69. The children laugh, ha ha ha, watching elephants from afar, taking pictures near the trees, playing in the breeze. Kerosene size 69. The stars above glow, twinkle bright, shining softly every night. Little elephant sleepy too, dreaming sky so blue. Kerosene size 69. Baby elephant says goodnight now, moon is glowing with a bow, sleeping softly near the trees in the nighttime breeze. Kerosene size